Okay, now I want to talk a little bit about the results of my students' evaluation. The first thing I did when I met with him was to go through the grade 4 word feature list, and I found he made about 4 mistakes on that list. So then I went to the text gradient. For grade 4, the range is between an O and a T. So I went with an O thinking, he made a number of mistakes in that list. Let's be a little conservative. Then you could see I gave him a choice between the fiction and the nonfiction, and he wanted nonfiction snakes right away. So as he started reading, I made sure I took note of his reading behavior. Very quick reader. At first he was very choppy, made more mistakes until he got into the flow of the text. I did have him down at about 98% accuracy, and I'm happy with that as his independent level. He was a bit choppy with his fluency. I ranged him between a 1 and a 2, and his comprehension between a 2 and a 3. He was very into the text and shared a lot, but it was hard to get him to focus on some more details in the text. But he certainly seemed very engaged in and got a lot of information from it. So I feel comfortable with him at an O for independent, and for a small group, I'd say PQ for instructional level. And so that's it. It was interesting because he loves those Captain Underpants. They're usually OP books, sometimes Q. So it's right there for him. So that's a good fit. So there he is, an O reader. Thank you.